Well, good morning, beautiful people. Guess what today is? Yes, it is Winning Wednesday. And how are the beautiful people today? I hope that you are well. I hope that you are well. Well, there is a blizzard down here in Texas. I said at the beginning of the week, of my week, I did not sign up for this. But reality hit in and said, Tasha, that's okay. We are going to get through this. And that's the attitude at times we need to have when we are going through our blizzards of life. The reality is the reality of whatever that blizzard is, whatever that storm is that you may be going through. And I don't want to minimize an experience, because how one person experiences something may be different for someone else. How the resources that they have, their mindset during that experience, the support that they have during these storms and or these blizzards can ultimately affect the outcome. But one thing is for sure with any blizzard, it will not remain forever. And we have to remember that. So when we go through these storms and these blizzards of life, it will be uncomfortable. We have to keep it real. It can be uncomfortable. But our attitude and how we approach it can change the ultimate experience, and sometimes the length of how long that we're going through this experience. The forecast for next week says high in the 50s and 60s with sunshine. Maybe if we start looking at our life that way, that our future says the right job, the right home, the right relationship, your spiritual relationship with God, the right people in your right life, the right mate. Do not have, like we often do in the blizzards in our life, is make a knee-jerk decision. Think about it clearly. Experience what you need to experience and find something positive to hold on to until you weather that storm. I want you guys to have a wonderful Winning Wednesday. Peace and blessings to you.